A Chinese proverb says a journey of many thousand miles begins with the first step. Today, we promise to share a few glimpses of a mind blowing journey to date for an equally amazing lady. She is called by many names across globe, but she is our very own mother-in-law, or Mandy, as she is popularly known in China. It's been more than 4 decades that she came to this world with a sunshine-like smile and an infectious energy as a bundle of joy to Mrs. Satyaranjan Samajpati and Mrs. Ela Samajpati at their Kolkata residence. Her childhood was full of healthy doses of laughter and pampering by all her relatives, uncles like Jay, grandma, cousins, sister, and her parents. They pampered her to live the princess-like life in the modest surroundings, but with fun and happiness. Her inquisitive brain often displayed examples of a naughty side too, like when she would get pleasure watching a pot of warm jaggery sauce break, or being jealous about an Indian goddess who could eat plenty of eggs at a row. She also faced hardship during her growing up years with her parents' help, but that did not stop her from completing her honor studies in Kolkata and then post-graduation in human resources. She started working in Kolkata where she first met a regular boy from the twin city of Howrah at her office during a very turbulent time in both their lives. Both started sharing their pains, struggles, and successes with each other. Finally, they decided to face the world as a team, and it's been 20 years since then, and they are husband and wife now, the past 16 years. There were many ups and downs in their life, but together, this team faced those unpredictable and unprecedented times boldly. They got up stronger than before every time they were knocked out. Finally, Madhu found herself in the National Capital Region of India working for a multinational company in an HR role, a place which taught not only skills but many lessons of life, where she met colleagues who became friends for life. After a long period of 10 years, she went to another place, MNC, with almost same set of friends and met a few more who still continue to be an essential part of her life. Finally, after a long stint in India, she moved on to her second home in China to join her husband and work in the same company, where she still lives till date with another set of Chinese friends and family. It was a dream life for her, but when destiny changed her life forever, she had to be rushed back to India for a massive health issue, which took a large part of her life away from her. But by God's grace and with the help of a fantastic set of doctors and family and friends and a new family for Benares, she survived and started a new second life in city of Foshan near Hong Kong in southern China. She has lost a lot but gained much more. Her life is nothing short than of a blockbuster movie script, but it's something written by the hand of God and performed by her own determination. So this audiovisual is a tribute and a birthday gift to this incredibly strong and kind lady, our bundle of joy, and to our own very precious Madhurama and Mandy.
মাসি, অনেক শুভেচ্ছা নিও তোমার জন্মদিনের। তুমি অনেক বছর অনেক রকম নেগেটিভ সিচুয়েশনের মধ্যেও কাটিয়েছো, তোমার অনেকখানি অসুবিধা হয়েছে, তোমার অনেক কিছু গেছে, কিন্তু তুমি সবসময় সবাইকে হাসিয়েছো, নিজেও খুশি থেকেছো এবং সবাইকে সবসময় পজিটিভ ভাবতে শিখিয়েছো। তুমিও সেরকমই থেকো। প্রণাম জানাই, অনেক শুভেচ্ছা নিও।
আকাশের রামধনু শোধ করে রৌদ্রের ঋণ, আকাশের রামধনু শোধ করে রৌদ্রের ঋণ। প্রতিটা মুহূর্ত বাজায় জীবনের বিন, প্রতিটা দিন হোক শুভ জন্মদিন 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 শুভ জন্মদিন মধু জীবনের প্রত্যেকটা মুহূর্ত খুব দামি প্রত্যেকটা সেকেন্ড প্রত্যেকটা মিনিটকে সেলিব্রেট করো প্রত্যেকটা মুহূর্তকে অনুভব করো আর জীবনের এই বিশেষ দিনে জন্মদিনের প্রত্যেকটা মুহূর্তকে এনজয় করো বারে বারে আর ফিরে আসা হবে না আমরা একবারই এসেছি একবারই যাব তাই এই মুহূর্তটাকে সেলিব্রেট করো ভীষণ 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 ভালো থেকো
Happy birthday, honey. Many, many happy returns of the day. And when I think of birthdays, the only thing I can think about is food. তো অনেক অনেক খাও আমি জানি আজকে তো তোমরা ডায়েটকে একদম গলি মেরে অনেক খাবার খাবে কিন্তু কিপ ইয়োর হেলথ ইন মাইন্ড অ্যান্ড অনেক অনেক এনজয় করো অ্যান্ড খাবারটা একটু সুখে ফেলে দিও খাওয়ার আগে নয়তো পেট খারাপ হওয়ার হাই চান্সেস অ্যান্ড খুব শিগগিরই ভাবছি আমি যে একটা ছুটি নিয়ে একটু সিঙ্গাপুর যাব দিয়ে ওখানে আমরা বেশ একটু দেখা সাক্ষাৎ করবো তারপর একটু ভালো খাবার দাবার খেয়ে তারপর ফিরে আসবো অ্যান্ড দাঁড়াও মাম্মাম কিছু বলবে
হ্যাপি বার্থডে খুব ভালো থাকিস সব কিছু ভালো হোক শরীর ভালো থাক এনজয় কর দিনটা আর
Wish you many, many happy returns of the day, Mum. Love you.
Many, many, many happy returns of the day, Madhu. Stay blessed always. I'll always remember you when I met you at the first time in Topaz. You are such a sweet person, I always remember. And you just moved here and there with your work chair in the whole office. I loved always on you. Such an entertaining person. And the other thing, I always remember your midnight craving. Whenever I felt that, I always remember you. খুব খুব ভালো থাকিস মধু ডিস্টেন্স থাকুক মনের টান আছে আমরা থাকবো থ্যাংক ইউ
Many, many happy returns of the day, Muti.
হ্যাপি বার্থডে ভাবি
Stay safe, blessed, always. Take care.
বি হ্যাপি বাই বাই
Hi Madhu,
হ্যাপি বার্থডে
happy birthday. Wish you a very very happy birthday.
এনজয় ইয়ারসেলফ
Don't mind, this is my Arjun Rampal look. Okay, we wish you a very very happy birthday. I know Ananda is working very very hard as usual to keep you happy, and being your ex-boss, I know how difficult and uphill climb it has been to manage you and keep you happy. So have a great day. God bless you with amazing health. Do well, and we know you guys have gotten together, and you know, after much hardship of COVID pandemic coming out of Kolkata and getting back to China. So do well, stay happy always, and wish you an amazing life the way through.
And we miss you. Hope to see you soon. Lots of love.
Take care.
Take care.
hello wonderful people, কেমন আছো তোমরা? Hello honey, wishing you a very very happy birthday and loads of love. I hope that I get to see you guys soon. Obviously তোমার বার্থডেতে তো দেখা হচ্ছে virtually, but then in person আমি জানি না কবে দেখা হবে, because frankly আমার লাইক আমি 2 বছর ইন্ডিয়া যাইনি, সো আমার কারোর সাথে কোনো দেখা সাক্ষাৎ নেই, অ্যান্ড দ্যাটস লাইক টার্নিং মি ইনটু আ ক্রেজি পারসন, অ্যান্ড আই হোপ দ্যাট আই গেট টু মিট এভরিওয়ান সুন। তোমরা প্লিজ একটা ইউএসএতে ট্রিপ প্ল্যান করো যাতে এখানে অ্যাটলিস্ট দেখা হয়ে যায়, বিকজ আমি জানি যে ইউ গাইজ আর নট গোয়িং ব্যাক টু ইন্ডিয়া এনি টাইম সুন, অ্যান্ড দ্যাটস কমপ্লিটলি আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডেবল আফটার দ্য করোনা এক্সপিরিয়েন্স দ্যাট ইউ গাইজ হ্যাড, বাট I hope that you get to spend your birthday with lots of delicious food, and boro mama onek kichu banate thake and I get to see the pics every day, and I hope that he feeds you well on that day as well, without any dietary restrictions for that day at least. And I hope that you keep on getting more beautiful and younger with the years passing by, because age is just a number. You are ageless, and I truly believe that. And yeah, I love you loads, and see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday to you, lots of happiness to you. Happy birthday to you, lots of happiness to you. Happy birthday Madhuri. Happy birthday Madhudi, ভালো থেকো।
एबार खिला दो एक दूसरे को। गरम कर दे भाभी। हाँ गरम लग रहा है बहुत तेज। बस बस छेड़ दो और किसी लगी हो ना। आई यार चुभी ना मारो हो रहा है। लग पूरा ही दादा हाथ में बना के इतना नहीं थोड़ा सा वो लो पाइनएप्पल उठाओ पाइनएप्पल ऊपर वाला उठाओ पाइनएप्पल खाए कर रहे हैं ये पाइनएप्पल पीस उठाओ बेटा लो अरे बोला ये हम लोग आपका बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करते हुए क्या बोलोगे
আমরা
তোমার বার্থডে সেলিব্রেট করছি হ্যাঁ
আমরা সবাই তোমার বার্থডে সেলিব্রেট করছি
আমরা সবাই তোমার বার্থডে সেলিব্রেট করছি
Congratulations Madhurima on your 45th birthday. I still remember the day when you came to Kolkata, when for the first time we met way back in 2012. We came to Kolkata with health issues and ultimately you had to undergo transplant. I feel really very happy to see you leading a healthy normal life and wish you to continue to do so and lead a blessed life for years together. All the very best to you, and of course wish you both a happy married life.
Happy birthday Nitai!
Happy birthday Chinky Mommy, have fun.
মিতুল জন্মদিনের জন্য অনেক 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 শুভেচ্ছা জানাই। খুব ভালো থাকিস, সুস্থ থাকিস, সামনের দিনগুলো যেন আমাদের সবার যে ভয় আতঙ্ক এইভাবে কাটছে সেটার থেকে আমরা সবাই যেন বেরিয়ে আসতে পারি। খুব ভালো থাকিস। আমার অনেক 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 আদর রইল মিতুল নামে পুতুলটিকে।
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Bora Mummy. Wishing that your days ahead be filled with happiness, prosperity, health, satisfaction, and all the best things that you deserve, along with the profound warmth in them. खूब भालो থেকো और खूब enjoy करो. Enjoy your time to the fullest. Have lots of good food, click lots of pics, and have a gala time. Just আশা করছি যেন আমাদের খুব তাড়াতাড়ি দেখা হয়. Have a great time and loads of love and best wishes for you.
Many happy returns of the day. Wish you a very happy birthday. কি তাড়াতাড়ি সব দিনগুলো চলে যাচ্ছে রে। আমার এখনো মনে পড়ছে যেদিন আম্মা তোকে কোলে নিয়ে হসপিটাল থেকে বাড়ি এলো। বাবাই, জ্যা, দিদা, আমরা সবাই কি খুশি হয়েছিলাম। আমাদের ভাই বোনের কাছে তো তুই একটা ছোট্ট একটা পুতুল মনে হতো। ইট ওয়াজ এ রিয়েল ফান। You were just a cute bundle of joy. You still are a person full of life and positivity. এরকমই থাক, ঠিক আছে? খুব আনন্দে থাক, সবাইকে আনন্দ দে। God bless you. Bye.
Wish you very, very, very happy birthday, Madhu. You are not only my sister-in-law. You are not only my Debrani. You are just like my sweet little sis. Be happy always. Be healthy always. And be cute as before as you are. খুব 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 ভালো থাকিস, আনন্দে থাকিস, খুশি থাকিস, আর এমনি করে আমাদের সবাইকে ভালো রাখিস। লাভ ইউ। Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Madhuma. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Madhuma. Love you. আর হ্যাঁ, তোর জন্য একটা গিফট আছে, বুঝলি? এটা আমার মাম্মা আর তোর ভাইসোনার পক্ষ থেকে। শোন, গিফটটা না এখন আপাতত আমাদের কাছেই থাকলো। তুই ওই অনেক দূর থেকে যখন আসবি তখন এটা তোর জন্য।
মিতুল, যার পোশাকি মধুরিমা নামটি আমারই দেওয়া, কিন্তু আমি তাকে ডাকি পাপাই সোনা বলে। গুড়গুড়ি পাপাই একবার আমার সঙ্গে ইউনিভার্সিটির সরস্বতী পুজোয় গিয়ে বলেছিল, ঠাকুরের কি মজা, যখন ইচ্ছে ডিম খেতে পারেন। জন্ম থেকে আমার কোলে পিঠে মানুষ পাপাই যথাসময়ে নিজের জীবনের হাল ধরতে শিখল। সবার আদরে গোবর ছোট্ট বোনটা তার মিষ্টি স্বভাব, বুদ্ধিদীপ্ত ব্যবহার ও চারিত্রিক দৃঢ়তা নিয়ে কেমন বড় হয়ে গেল। পাশে পেল চমৎকার জীবনসঙ্গী অনিন্দকে। অনেক আদর পাপাই। পুষণ, শ্রেয়া, অভয় ও আমি তোমার জন্মদিনে জানাই।
পুতুল পুতুল মিতুল সোনা ছোট্ট ছিল যখন, দাদার কাঁধে উঠত চড়ে যখন ইচ্ছে তখন। দাদা শুধু আছিস তো ঠিক, না গেছিস নিচে পড়ে? মিতুল বলে, ঠিকই আছিস তোর কাঁধেতে চড়ে। ছোটবেলার একটা ঘটনা নিয়ে 4 লাইন লিখে ফেললাম। মিতুলের জন্মদিনে অনেক শুভেচ্ছা, আশীর্বাদ, ভালোবাসা। আমি, অ্যানি, সোনি, বনি, পিনাকি, আর্ণব, রিয়ান এবং ব্রাউনির তরফ থেকে। ভালো থাকিস তুই আর অনিন্দ, দুজনেই ভালো থাকিস। আমাদের তরফ থেকে দুজনকেই অনেক শুভেচ্ছা জানাই। ভালো থাকিস।
Hi Madhu, it isn't every day we get a chance to tell you how special you are to us, but on your birthday we want to tell you how much you mean to us and we love you. Wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday. Stay safe, stay healthy. We love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Du auntie. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Madhu.
Happy birthday, Madhu.
Happy birthday, Madhu auntie.
Hey my sweetheart, happy birthday! I chose this special background for you, and this is also my favorite. When Andy invited me to be part of this your birthday video shooting, I feel super excited. And you know I always have so many things I want to share with you. And I wish you and me could be in the same city so we can keep chatting like forever. Okay, I know if I'm not going to jump into topic and Andy is going to kill me or kill my cat. So, happy birthday, my lovely Mandy. You are so strong, sweet, and your smile is a cure for anything in the life. Wish you all the best and be happy for every single minute in your life. Love you!
Dearest Madhu, happy birthday, sweetheart. Wishing you all the happiness in the world, all the joy in the world, all of the best things that you want in the world, may it be in India, may it be in China, wherever it is. But just wishing you that you always stay healthy, always stay happy. And you're my Lama, right? So our friendship goes way beyond. And I just wanted to wish you the best birthday ever. And a big thanks to Anindo for actually organizing this entire thing and compiling us and remembering us. And I wish I could actually come and give you a big hug. But COVID ke chakkar mein wo to hoga nahi abhi. But whenever you're in India or I come and meet you somewhere, big hugs reserved for them. Tab tak virtual hugs. Again, wishing you a very, very happy birthday, sweetheart. God bless you.
Hello, my dear Mandy， 生日快乐！祝你每天开心，每天健康。I am so happy that I have a friend Mandy in my life. You have the golden hearts. You always make me feel so warm, and your heart is full of love. I really learn many things from you. I hope you have the wonderful, romantic, safety, and happy life. Enjoy every moment of your life. We are the best friends forever. Love you.
Look at this. That's our neighbor. And
Hey,
who's feeding them?
Very cool. Hello. Hi, Mandy. How are
We're
you?
in Dalian. I know. You're growing 1 year younger. And only from both of us, from the bottom of our heart.
Yeah.
Happy
birthday.
Doesn't matter in Dalian or in Foshan, we're all together.
Hello, birthday queen Mandy. This is happy birthday from Vanuatu. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday.
Wish you have a great day. Look at the weather here. Wish you will see you guys here again. You got a very sweet husband. Andy was trying to tell me to shoot this for you. So I'm honored and I hope you enjoy your birthday. Love you. Bye bye.
Take care and all the best.
Hi, hello, Mandy. Happy birthday to you. It's just such a nice experience that we know each other and how time flies. I think it has been more than 10 years since we met in Dalian. I wish you all the best and happy every day, and you enjoy the life in China, enjoy every moment with Andy. Yeah, and looking forward to seeing you soon in Dalian. All the best.
Dear Mandy, I'm your friend Linda, and I'm currently in Vancouver with my family. Thanks to Andy and his invitation, I could record this video. I just want to thank you for encouraging me. Your sunshine-like smiles and your courage always remind me to keep going when things get tough, even if we're thousands of miles apart. I will never forget those times when we were together. I hope that you have a great time on your birthday. Love you.
Hi Mandy, happy birthday! I painted this birthday card for you. The tiger is you and the mouse is me. Here is my name, Joe. You are my best friend. I hope you will always be happy and love you.
Hi Mandy, when here, happy birthday
to you and wish you a very happy life.
3, 2, 1, go.
Happy birthday, Mandy!
Hi, Mandy. Happy birthday. You are a very lovely girl with a lovely smile that impressed me when I first met you. And then when we experienced many things, for example, we performed a Chinese song on the stage in Mid-Autumn Festival, and you become my yoga student, and I find out you not only have outside beauty, you have the inside beauty. You are smart, fast learner, and very intelligent. And more, you have very good heart. When I need help, you always stand by my side. Thank God I have you to be my friend. In your birthday, I wish you all the best for you. And more, you are so lucky girl. You have a very wonderful husband, Andy, who loves you so much. And happy birthday again. Let me get beauty and healthy.
Hello, Mandy. Happy birthday. This is the surprise Mandy who made for you. And then I'm so happy you come into my life throughout my day. I hope you will have a very happy and how to say happiness life in the future. And then I don't know how to say 身体健康，所有东西都顺顺利利。I hope we will meet each other soon. Bye.
एक मिनट शुरुआत नहीं हुआ हैप्पी बर्थडे मैंडी
Happy birthday, Mandy. May the joy and happiness around you today and always. Happy birthday, Mandy. Love you.
Happy birthday. It's been such a long time. We should meet soon. But for now, have fun. Enjoy your birthday. Have fun.
Hello, Mandy. 生日快乐，祝你身体健康 ，good health. Love you.
Really close, and by the time you left MetLife, हम लोग काफी अच्छे दोस्त बन गए थे. So I just wish and hope of a healthy and happy life for you, that you do wonders wherever you go. Finally in China, that's I think the place you always wanted to be. But you and Anandya, may you always be happy. He's doing this for you. It's so special. May God always bless you both. And just know that, you know, it's really happy to know that we have friends all across that still care so much. So just, I think we're all blessed. Be good, be happy, and stay healthy always. God bless you, and happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, sister. Here's your brother from the other side. Wishing you a happy and healthy birthday. I'm right here in New York, thinking about you. May God bless you. Have a blast. Until we meet next time. Bye-bye.
Hi Madhu, wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you. Though we haven't met, but I've heard a lot of good things about you. So God bless, take care, have a blast, enjoy your day.
Hi Madhu, wish you a very happy birthday, sweetheart. I love you so much. I really miss my Genpact days, and I speak so much about you with Manish that I think he almost knows everything and anything about you. You know, I mean, though I used to be busy with my work and you used to be busy with your work, but as and when we used to connect while working, we had many things to talk about. I really miss it. I really hope that we get to meet each other really soon. I wish you good health and God bless you with loads and loads of happiness and love. I love you.
Happy birthday, Madhu. I really wish you all the health, wealth and happiness. Take care, sweetheart, and happy birthday from Thea too. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday, Madhu Masi. Take care, Rich. Thank you so much for making me feel involved in this. And once again, happy birthday to you, Madhu. Mwah.
Hi Madhu, this is Mayank Biswal. Happy birthday and God bless you a lot.
हे पागल, कॉन्फर्मेशन कॉल किया, अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर्स प्रिंट किए. Hi Madhu, wish you a very happy birthday. I really miss somebody calling me Pagol. I really miss you. But nevertheless, wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your birthday to the fullest. And I wish we celebrate your birthday next year in India. Bye bye. Take care. Wish you a very happy birthday once again.
Hi Madhurima, wishing you a very happy birthday. I wish your special day be packed with innumerable wishes, gifts and loads of surprises. May God bless you with your choicest blessings. Have an amazing day. God bless.
Hey Madhu, wishing you the bestest birthday. Hope to see you guys soon whenever you are in India. Do drop in and let's catch up. And wishing you a very happy Holi and a Diwali in advance. Yeah, bye.
Many happy returns of the day. May God bless you always with loads of happiness and loads of funds. Bye.
Hi Madhurima, this is Varinder. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Sending truckloads of luck and shiploads of good health. Stay healthy and safe. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hi Madhurima, wish you very happy birthday और ढेर सारी health भर के. Enjoy your life. I'm sure you would have taken good care of yourself. Stay blessed and be happy.
Hello Madhu, wish you a very happy birthday and a great year ahead.
Hey Madhu, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great and a happy life. Stay the way you are. Stay healthy. Take care of yourself. Wish you a long and a happy life. Take care.
Hi Madhu, wish you a very happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. I think it has been over 10 years now. Almost, yes, 10 years. We haven't seen each other in fact faces, so it might be surprise. I still remember those days of you scolding me, of throwing bottles, empty bottles of water outside the car. How many people you could feed with that, saving those bottles. And also all those post-its, pieces of post-its which you used to save. So I would call you a recycle person. And also your sense of location. While Anindya used to call you in the night, where are you? And you used to look at the hoardings, and whatever name of the place it is written, you used to call out that I'm there. Anyway, good to connect with you here now after this time. And I would like to introduce you to the one old memory of the first MetLife second line of HR. So here it goes.
Wish you very, very happy birthday, Madhu. Wishing you loads of love, laughter, success, good health, happiness on this day. Wishing you a very happy, long life. Enjoy your day. And I have your jhumkas with me still. Your boyfriends are still waiting for you. So really looking forward to meet you soon. Love you, take care, and keep smiling always. Very happy birthday once again.
Hi Madhu, how are you? Wish you a very happy birthday. Hope all well. I truly and truly wish that you have a wonderful day. Enjoy yourself, have a blast, stay healthy, and hope we get to meet soon. Bye-bye, take care.
Hi Madhurima, hope you must have remembered me after a long time connecting. Wish you many more candles to glow. Keep smiling and stay safe.
Your smile can brighten up a dull room. Your soft voice can make people forget their pain. I am blessed to have you as a friend. Stay the cheerful you always. Happy birthday, Madhurima. Miss you.
Hello Madhu ma'am. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. Best wishes for success, health and good fortune today and the times to come. Wish you all the best ma'am. Stay healthy, stay safe, enjoy your birthday, have lots of fun. Bye bye ma'am.
So it's finally my turn. I'm standing in the part of the house which could be slightly noisy, but I still wanted to sit here because it's one of your favorite places in my home in China. Firstly, thank everyone who have contributed to this video. People who have led their voice and people who couldn't, all of you. This wouldn't have been possible without you. We don't choose our family, it comes to us by default, but we do choose our friends, and I think you have done a fairly good job of that. So thank you once again. Finally, to the showstopper of the event, my wife, and I'm extremely happy to be able to go ahead and give you this present. I promised you that I'm not going to buy any expensive gift, therefore I bought this one, which is priceless. I hope you will enjoy it. Have a very healthy, safe and a long life. I have promised myself that I'm not going to be at all emotional, so I'll try not to. Have a great birthday, enjoy yourself, and every time you look back, you will find me. I'll be your last line of defense and the first line of attack always. Thank you. Bye-bye.